Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit Lightning record page in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to go first of all to our setup menu, and from here we can find all these choices, and basically we can see the edit page uh, choice. We click on it, and after that, we need just to go and start creating a page from the Lightning app builder. So from here, you can start adding whatever you like. So this is our seller home that we find here. Let's just go back to our uh, environment, and basically this is our page, and from here we can start changing it. So basically you can choose, you can label it whatever you like. So basically this is the label, my home, and I'm going to make it like this. So let's just let it be a seller home, and from here you will need just to drag and drop whatever you like. So if you want to add a new widget, so for example, let's get more. You can have more apps in the app exchange if you want to add, or you can simply just go to the pages, and from here you can create your own page or edit the ones that you have created. So we can simply create a new page and confirm, and from here you can start, for example, creating a home page or an app page, whatever you like. And let's just click next. You give it a label, my page, and after that you will need just to click next and to choose the layout of your page. So it can be a header with the three region, etc., etc. And from here you can start adding your components or your items, and from here you can start relating them and link them through these sections or through the page properties, etc. And after that, you will need just to save, and by that, you are able to modify and edit your record pages. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.